Students, I hope everyone is well and good. Today we will continue with the circulatory system of human beings. As I had told you here, two types of circulatory system is the blood vascular system and lymphatic system. Today we will continue with the blood vascular system, as it is connected with the lungs and the heart, and through the blood vessels all the blood is going to be circulated here and there. Blood, it consists of a straw colored fluid, that is the plasma. It consists of the straw colored fluid, and it is having 90% water along with 10% of solids. Inorganic component of plasma, in that generally sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, this all are present, and the minute quantities iron, phosphorus, iodine, this all will be having, because they are going to act as a normal function of that particular cell. Then some organic components of the plasma are, it consists of globulin, albumin, fibrinogen, and each and every organic component will have its own importance. When we talk about the blood protein, this globulin, albumin, fibrinogen is present, and it also consists of the serum protein, which helps in the osmoregulation of the body, and it also provides the immune system to the body. It also maintains the pH of the complete blood circulation, or the pura that complete body. Then if the person has less intake of protein, then the person may form the accumulation of water in the tissue, and this condition is known as your edema is a type of a disease. Then digested nutrients and catalysts, for that glucose, fats, fatty acid, phospholipids, cholesterol, vitamins, this all are going to act as a digestive nutrients and catalysts. And children, it is also going to use for the absorption for the intestinal villi, that liver, glucose, these are going to act as a, then person gets about 80 to 100 mg normally. Cholesterol comes in the blood, and it also increases the absorption of the fat from the diet, and might be possible because of the excessive synthesis liver may damage, and ghee, butter, that also are the causes of the cholesterol. Actually children, how the water pipelines are there, likewise there is a capillaries pipeline, that is arteries and veins, and that capillaries, because of excessive deposition of cholesterol, it will become thick. Then hormones are secreted by the endocrine glands, and they are having blood streams. Then foreign substances, antigen, antibodies, and antitoxins. In this children, many types of foreign bodies like bacteria and other pathogens are there. Specific antibodies are there that produces the immune system. These antibodies are called as antigens, and however, some amount of antibodies lasts in the blood forever, neutralizes the toxins and pathogens, and called as your antitoxin. Waste product includes urea, nitrogenous products, ammonia, they are going to be included. Cardiac failure may reduces urinary elimination, which results in uremia. Gaseous exchange, oxygen, carbon dioxide, they are also present, which will be dissolved in plasma. Anticoagulating agent is heparin, very important children. This allows the blood to be in a liquid form inside the body. If heparin is absent, the blood will be started coagulating, and the lumps are going to be produced. What is the function of plasma? Plasma is generally distributed in organic food substances and collects excretory substances. It also collects carbon dioxide and supplies oxygen. It conducts hormones, proteins, antibodies, and so on. It controls the body temperature. It also controls and coordinates the water in the body. Then children, as per the bleeding time, you people are knowing very well, when any cut or wound is going to take place in our body, it start bleeding, and it takes little time to neutralize the reaction, and the bleeding automatically it will be stopped, and that 1 to 9 minutes, and in maybe longer in children 1 to 13 minutes. So this is slightly longer in female as compared to the males. Then clotting time, generally 8 to 15 minutes are the normal time, and above that it will be a that diseased one. Then children, another important thing, role of vitamin K. Vitamin K is going to act as a very good blood coagulating agents, and this vitamin K that will protect the particular cells or the tissues, that it should not be coagulated. Okay. Then blood groups. Austrian Karl Landstein discovered the human blood group. Okay. This Karl Landstein, he discovered that the blood clumping was immunological reaction, which occurs when the receiver of the blood transfusion is going to take place. For this, he got the prize also. And he told that antigen antibodies are there. On the basis of that, the blood group is going to be present. Basically, ABO blood group is there. In that, genetically 20 different types of blood groups are present, and they are incompatible. Means blood group A can gain the blood group from A only, B can gain the blood group from B only. O is the universal donor, it can give anybody. Okay. But I will tell you the compatibility of the blood group A. Blood group A, if you belongs to the blood group A antigen on the surface will be there and B antibodies in the blood plasma. Then in same manner, for blood group B, you have B antigen on the surface of RBCs and A antibodies in your blood plasma. Blood group AB, same thing. Blood group O, they are also same thing. So children, these all things are going to act as a on the basis of presence and absence of